Hi guys. Today we are experiencing BMW 3 Grand Limousine. This is a 3 Series limousine which is just 110 taller than normal 3 Series, and it you can have a view um, of this car from the interior side, and everything can be seen. This is the display. The driver's display is quite large in size. The screen is also adequate. Uh, it has several features. I'll explain you uh, in little bit detail. However, in BMW, most of the features come same, but we can have a look around this car so that you can look at the sunroof, which is panoramic glass, quite large in size, and I'll open this for you. It can be little bit more. So the size of the sunroof is very good. If somebody want to have enjoy the pleasant weather, can go in a hill station somewhere. How beautifully it get closed as well. As other cars, it also has gesture control, which you can see with the hand gestures by changing the track. However, this particular feature is available across 5 Series, 3GL, and 2GC Grand. This Grand Coupe of 2 Series. So it is very ease and the convenience to use these features, and gives very comfort while driving the car, and it is also quite stylish. We will also look at hold on, I'll just show you some feature. Let's see. Look at the camera quality of this on this screen. This is wonderful. From the side you can look around, 3D view as well. You also have this the same what we had in 5 Series, but that we just need to, yes. You can see the car which is just besides you and can give you the, as if now it's not happening, but yes, this is a wonderful feature. I'll just put in parking right now. As other cars has reverse assistance, it also has reverse assistance. When you just need to take the car back, it can be, it can, I just need to accelerate a little bit, it's just taking me in the rear. It covers a 50-meter distance. How we came, the same way that will take you back. We will watch closely a certain feature which is on your drive, with the drive selector on your iDrive. You can see the media, home, map, communication. This is BMW Connect Drive, navigation, back, and options. Start and stop, your traction control, again your camera, reverse camera, parking sensors, active parking sensors, auto start stop, one of the feature. Yes, sport comfort, eco pro, and auto hold. Auto hold is something, as of now the car is on, you can see it's in drive. If I'll remove my feet from the brakes, the car will move. But in this condition, here we have the auto hold. The car will not move. Even I have removed my feet from brakes. the car is still and at standstill. So, and here you can see the wireless charger. Guys, this is 3GL wireless charger option. So you can wireless charger, phone compatible should be there. So you can wireless charge these phones. USB tapping, electronic handbrake, storage is also there. You also have USB option inside. Insane. You have enough room space for the rear seat. However, it is very comfortable. Sport seats, which is very comfortable with the side bolsters. Um, your This car provides a lot of features, a good offering. Um, let's scroll some of features for this. I'll just take it to home. The touch screen is very smooth. Can go to media. As I shown you earlier that it has uh, this gesture control, which also make distance just to so the position should be just to operate this feature. Steering is position can also be adjusted, tilt and telescopic. I have set it here. You have pedal shifts. The pedal shift just to operate this. As you are reviewing these features with HM Drive, so stay connected, stay tuned for more driving experience and more videos. Give your love so that we can have motivation and we can give you some more videos in future. So see, this is altogether a wonderful experience to explore BMW 3 Grand Limousine, and uh, we have seen certain features. I told you about this is communication when contact telephone, mobile devices, and navigation, just to operate navigation. Navigation, I'll show you something. This is your iDrive selector. The iDrive selector, if I uh, scroll it, rotate it, you see on the screen when I'm rotating this, the way I'm rotating this, that zooming, so this is wonderful. It gives you the good location guidance, altogether a good. Even the petrol station, near petrol station, set up the map settings, several information. This car also has voice command facility. In case I give voice command to this, if I say hey BMW, hey BMW,
Hello, what can I help you with?
show me the sports display.
Sport displays.
You
Please
see,
continue using manual control.
you see the sport display has been shown by giving command virtually. So virtual commands, the key control just to increase your volume and decrease your volume. Here the temperature showing you, and the adjustment of the temperature can be done by these buttons, like which is mentioned here. Huh? The blower speed can be reduced and increased from this. The offering of this car is very good, and I will drive this car on different places. I'll showcase that experience in this video, um, so you can have a good experience, feedback, uh, in case if you want to make choice of this car, it will help you out. So guys, thank you so much. Stay connected, stay tuned for more information. Thank you.